Music in ancient Greece. Music was an important part of life in ancient Greece. To the ancient Greeks, music was a gift from the gods, and goddesses called muses inspired humans to create it. Where was music played? Festivals, weddings, funerals, feasts and theatre productions all included music. Buildings called odeons were built next to theatres. They had excellent acoustics for indoor concerts and competitions. Who played music? Classically educated boys learned to play musical instruments from the age of 6. Girls were also allowed to play and sing. Mixed-voice choirs sang at religious festivals and public events. Being a musician could also be a full-time job. Musicians played at temples and theatres. They were also paid to play at feasts and events held by rich people and government officials. What instruments did the ancient Greeks play? There are pictures of musical instruments on ancient Greek pottery, mosaics and friezes, and descriptions of them in poetry, plays and other writings. A popular ancient Greek instrument was the lyre. It had a U-shaped frame and sheep gut strings. A more complicated version of the lyre was called the kithara. This is the root of our word guitar. Ancient Greeks also had a double-reeded wind instrument called an aulos, various types of drums and water-powered organs. What did their music sound like? No one knows exactly what ancient Greek music sounded like because it wasn't written down. From the writings of mathematicians and philosophers such as Pythagoras, Aristoxenus and Cleonidas, we know that the music of ancient Greece would have sounded very different to the music we are used to hearing.